Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shaisa's Crochet. In this tutorial we are going to see how to crochet this table placement. It is very easy and beautiful, so please keep watching till the end of this video. For this project I'm going to use here the acrylic yarn and the hook size is 3.5 mm. Let's start this project with the magic circle. To do the magic circle, just keep the yarn over your fingers like this, the walking yarn on your back side of the finger, and the tail is in front, and then wrap around your finger. Here you got an X, so insert the hook under the first yarn and then pull the second one, slowly turn and hold at this point. Then we will make a chain, that is to secure the ring. Now we are going to make 3 chain, 1 2 3. This is going to be our first double crochet stitch, and then chain 1, yarn over, insert the hook into this circle. We are going to make double crochet. Pull up the yarn, adjust the height, and then yarn over, pull through first 2 and then the second 2. Chain 1, again yarn over, insert the hook into the circle, pull up the yarn over, pull through first 2 and then second 2. Chain 1. We are going to make same like this 12 double crochet stitches. So already we have 3 here, 1 2 3, and we have to make more 9. We got 12 double crochet stitches now. Let's slip stitch into the third chain. Before that, chain 1, and then just pull this tail, so it will come closer. We can close this circle, and then 1 2 3 into this slip stitch. Now we are in the wrong position, so we have to reach it in this space, open space. For that, let's slip stitch into this again, into this point, and then let's make chain 3, 1 2 3. Now we have 1 2 3 chains. Let's make one more double crochet inside this space. Chain 1, again into the next space we are going to make one more double crochet, 1 and 2. Chain 1. Let's continue in this round with 2 double crochets inside the space. Chain 1, again 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. Now we are not in the correct position, so let's make slip stitch into the next stitch, and then 1 single crochet. So we have reached at the right point. Chain 3, 1 2 3. Let's make 1 double crochet, 1, and then 1 more double crochet inside this space. So we got 3 double crochets, chain 1, into the next space also 3 double crochets, 1 2 and 3. Again chain 1. We are going to continue in each space 3 double crochet stitches. Chain 1. Let's slip stitch into the third chain. That's the end of this round. We are at the wrong place, so let's make slip stitch into this next stitch. and the another stitch also. Again one more stitch, space, chain 1, 2, 3. Let's make one double crochet inside, chain 1, again into the same space, one double crochet and one more double crochet. So we got 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets, again chain 1 into the next 1, 2, chain 1, again 1 and 2. So we will be continuing this round with the 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet. Chain 1, let's slip stitch into the third chain, 1, 2, 3. And let's make slip stitch into the next 2 stitches. And then into this chain 3, 1, 2, 3, into the same stitch, 1 double crochet. So we got 2 double crochet stitches, chain 1 into the next space, 1 double crochet, chain 1 into the next space, 1 double crochet and one more double crochet, chain 1. We are going to continue this round with 2 double crochet stitches into each space and chain 1. Chain 1, slip stitch into the third chain, let's slip stitch into the another chain, into the next chain also, and then 1, 2, 3, 1 single crochet and 2 chain. Into the same space we are going to make 2 more double crochets, 1 and 2. So we got here 3 double crochets, chain 1 into the next space, 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, 3 double crochets into each space, chain 1, 1, 2, 3 into the third stitch, 1, 2, 3. Let's make a slip stitch, and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3 into the same space, 1 double crochet, chain 1 into the next space, 2 double crochets, chain 1 again into the next space, 2 double crochets, 1, 2, again chain 1, 2 double crochets into each space. We are going to continue the same sequence all around this round. Let's slip stitch into the third chain, 1, 2, 3. That's the end of this row. Make chain 3 for the round 8. 1, 2, 3 into the same space, 1 double crochet, chain 1, again 2 more double crochets inside, 1, 2, chain 1 into the next space, 2 double crochets, chain 1, and 2 more double crochets. So let's continue this round with 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets, again chain 1. Let's slip stitch into the third chain, 1 2 3. That's the end of this row. Let's move to the next round. 3 chain, 1 2 3, and to the next stitch let's do a double crochet, 2 3 4 5 and 6. Chain 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Let's make a double crochet into this chain, again into the next chain, 1 double crochet, 3 4 5 and 6. Chain 5, let's make a double crochet into this point, 1 3 4 5 6. Chain 5, and let's continue with the 6 double crochet stitches, 1 2 3 4 5 into 6, again chain 5. Same like this we are going to continue the entire round. Now chain 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Let's join with the slip stitch, 1 2 3. And to the next stitch, single crochet, 1 2 3 4 inside this space. Let's make 1 single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, triple crochet, one more triple crochet, yarn over 2 times, insert the hook into this, yarn over, pull through first 2, second 2 and third 2, and then double crochet, half double crochet, and then a single crochet. Now let's make into the next stitch, single crochet into the next 6 chains, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Let's make inside 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, yarn over 2 times, triple crochet, triple crochet, yarn over 2 times, again 1 2 3, then a double crochet, then a half double crochet, then a single crochet. The same way we are going to continue the entire round. I'll meet you at the end of this round. And then let's slip stitch into the next stitch. Chain 1, we'll snip off this yarn. Here our table placement is ready. Thanks for watching.